Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney and today we're going to be talking about some warm weather sewing. It is very definitely snow covered out there, but we're talking about warm weather sewing because I am going on vacation in February. And do I need any more warm weather clothes? Not really, but is it fun to sew for a vacation? Yes. So I don't know, I've probably bitten off more than I can chew between now and then, but I've got some plans I want to show you for vacation sewing. But before we get into that, I have a little bit of an announcement. If you are a newsletter subscriber, and if you're not, you should be, because we have some very exciting stuff that's coming up that is only for like newsletter subscribers will be the only ones that hear about it. So you will definitely want to make sure that you're on that list. We send weekly emails, one email a week. They're short and sweet. And have like discount codes in them on occasion from all sorts of things with people that we're working with. So anyway, definitely want to be part of that newsletter and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Sometimes you think you are and you're not. That really helps us. But something that is starting in February is that we are launching, Tomcat Stitchery is launching a YouTube membership. Now, what does this mean? Nothing on the channel is changing. Nothing. If this is not your cup of tea, your jam, that is absolutely fine. You will not notice a difference at all. Everything, the content will be the same. The shorts that are coming out in addition to the content, all that's going to be the same. Nothing is going to change. However, if you are interested in not only helping to support the channel, but also for some behind the scenes stuff, we're going to have some behind the scenes little extras that kind of go along with the videos. In terms of shorts, we're going to have polls, like you're going to be able to pick projects for me, help me decide on elements with projects, just a little bit more interaction with me. We are launching this YouTube membership. Now, that's kind of the basis for what it's going to be right now. It's going to be $3.99 a month for the YouTube membership. And, but we want to know what you guys want. So join if that's something that you're interested in kind of being a part of. Definitely join, and you can also be a voice in how else that gets shaped, like what other things we add and what do you want to see, or what do you not care about, or that sort of thing, to help us really shape a really fun and exciting and really cool, hopefully really close-knit community. That is one of the things I love most about doing this channel, is getting to meet with you guys and getting to become more intimately acquainted with you all as well. I really enjoy that. So anyway, again, if that's not your jam, that's fine. Nothing on the channel will be changing. We just decided to launch a membership just to kind of help with the cost of putting the channel on, really. And again, just to create a little bit more of that intimate community that can get lost a little bit just with the channel generally, since that goes out to everybody. So anyway, that is that. More in the newsletter. There'll be more information in the newsletter and that sort of thing coming up. So just wanted to say that, and also just let you know nothing is changing on the channel. If memberships are not your thing, if you've already signed up for multiple memberships and you just can't do another one, that's fine. The stuff on here is not changing. Okay, let's talk about my plans. I have a very large stack. Folks, am I going to be able to get through all of this? No. Okay, so here's the deal. We are going, and my air is dry and my hair is like staticking everywhere. It looks really flat and it shouldn't be because I just, yeah, whatever. Anyway, which is why it's time to get out of Dodge for a few days. I am going to Florida with my whole family, the whole crew, sister and her kids and husband and my family and then my parents for a few days, and really, really looking forward to it, to some humidity, to a little bit of humidity because it's very dry here right now, but also a little bit of warmth. And just we've not done a beach family vacation in a really long time, all of us, other than going up to Michigan and that sort of thing. So really looking forward to all of that. And my birthday is going to happen while we're there, which is very exciting, which is a needed bit of information for a couple of these things. So first things first. And actually, no, I'm not making, well, we'll see what gets made up. So I need a new swimsuit. If you know, I have been on a pretty intense workout journey since this time last year, just doing a lot of like heavy lifting, things that I am, well, I feel like I always give way too much information, but I am postmenopausal because I had to go into surgical menopause many years ago. So I have to lift heavy. I have to lift heavy in order to preserve my bone density and just to make sure that my body is not aging faster than it is. For reference, I will be turning 45 when I am in Florida. So anyway, all that, I've been on an intense working out journey because of that. And I also have autoimmune issues, like a few of them. The list is lengthy, which is why the surgical menopause, because of those. But anyway, I got switched medicines back in, one of the medicines that I'm on got switched in September, October, somewhere around there, just to help with my inflammation. In fact, I can already tell like my voice is getting better. So my vocal cord, if you notice my voice getting deeper and like creakier, over like the past year or so, that's absolutely inflamed vocal cords. There was nothing I could do about it. And I know people are going to say, you know, weight or food and all that stuff. This was stuff not affected by my diet at all, which was very frustrating. Anyway, medicine got switched. My inflammation is finally going down, which is very exciting, and to have something that's actually working. That being said, when I depuff lower half of my body first and then the upper part of my body. And my swimsuits are all very baggy in the rump right now. So I need a new swimsuit. That was a long story to say I need a new swimsuit. My good friend, Kathy, we do water trekking in the summer. So we have a water park that has a lazy river in it. And you can, one of the workout classes, which is just so much fun just to do, just for fun, is you go and you walk the lazy river backwards before the pool like opens for everybody. It's like early in the morning, and it happens like, I don't know, 2 or 3 times a week during the season. And anyway, it's just a lot of fun. It's something different when we're not heavy lifting, just to go and do the exercises in lazy river. But she had on this bathing suit and she let me borrow it. And I thought it was so cute. So look, this is the top, and it's got like this bat wing sleeve. And it's got like the built-in bra that's in there, you know, like elastic to keep things up, fully lined, little batwing top, and then these super high-rise bottoms that have like the little ruching on the side, which I also think is really cute. Super high-waist bottoms. So, so she literally has like maybe this much stomach showing between the top of the pants and the bottom of the top. I thought it was so cute, and it looks so easy. So she let me borrow it so that I could try and recreate my own. And I think I can use the Love Notions clear water and kind of use the hack that they use. So the Tempo sundress is like a strappy sundress that Love Notions has, and they did an add-on sleeve, like a flutter sleeve pattern. And I think I could use that same sleeve pattern and insert it into the straps of the clear water the same way you do for the Tempo to create, I mean, it won't be like a grown-on sleeve like this one, but it would be like a flutter sleeve. It would be kind of that same idea, and do just the top, just the bra top, I think. I don't know. I may want to extend it a little bit more. We're going to play around with it. And then make up their bottoms. And the bottoms that I've made of that clear water before are just a little bit tall on me, but I'm going to leave them as is and do some ruching so I get a little bit of movement there in the bottom. We're going to see. I think I can make it work and recreate it. So I have had this gingham, red and white gingham swimsuit fabric in my stash forever. So this is what I want to use. This is what I have in mind. Now, if my idea goes horribly wrong and it doesn't turn out the way I envision, or if it's showing a little too much stomach, because I have not worn a two-piece, like a real two-piece swimsuit in a really long time. But I can also do the tankini, but then cut the tankini shorter. That could be what I do, because I've made the tankini of the clear water. I could do the tankini, keep the built-in bra, but maybe make the top end like a crop top. Maybe that's what I'll do. And then, so it's not just the bra top. Like, I'll have the bra top underneath it for the support bra, and then just do the tankini top, but make it a little bit longer with those cute little sleeves and then high waist bottoms. Maybe that's what I'll do. And I think I've got enough of this to do that. But if things go awry, I have this swimsuit fabric that I absolutely love. I've not used it up yet. And maybe, I doubt I get around to this one. This is just kind of my backup fabric in case something goes awry with this one. But I really love this. So if this doesn't get used, it may get used for a second one of these if I really, really love this, or this may become something else. So anyway, new swimsuit. That was a long gab. I'm like 10 minutes in. I apologize. Off I go. All right, the second thing I need are some knit shorts. So we'll be doing a lot of beach walking and that sort of thing. It's a very laid back, comfortable trip. So a lot of athletic wear, really, except, you know, getting a little bit dressed up kind of in the evenings is fun if we go out for dinner. But I do need some more knit shorts, period, just lounge shorts in my wardrobe, period. I just didn't have enough this summer. And I just grabbed the Pattern Emporium Just Peachy shorts, and they're a knit short pattern. And I've got some left over of this French terry. I made a hive pullover in this, but I've got some left over. So I would like to try and make a pair of the Just Peachy shorts, because I think, it's a solid pair of shorts. I could wear them with a whole bunch of things. And I could also pair them with that hive and be kind of a cute set that I could take. And then I also, if you remember, I bought this French terry at University of Sewing. It may have been a couple years ago now. It's been a bit, because then it became too late in the season and I didn't want to make it up because it seemed too summery. So I'm going to make it up now before, because now I can wear it now, and then when the summer actually hits, I'll have it all ready to go. But I think I have 3 yards of this. So I want to make another pair of the Just Peachy shorts. I really like the Pattern Emporium bottoms I've made before, so I have a feeling I'm going to like these too. But another pair of the knit Just Peachy shorts, and then I kind of think I had such good luck with the House of Hotard Adri jacket that she also has the Juju sweater, which is like an oversized pullover, like a quarter zip. And I think that would be a lot of fun, not only to take as a matching set for this, but just as a topper, because I'm bringing in like this Caribbean blue kind of color, this turquoise. I did that last spring and summer and really enjoyed playing with this color. So I think that this could be a good, like, just layer for not only for Florida, but then also for when the weather does start to, like, springtime, when things start to warm up a little bit. So that's going to be a 2-piece set. Am I going to get to this all? I don't know. At the end of the year, the sewing studio was having a little bit of an end of year sale. And I may have bought a few things, and this is one of them. So this is a rayon twill, and I think I got 3 yards of it, and it is a dead stock fabric, and it is so pretty. I love, this is not really my pink, but this orangey red is absolutely my color. And what does this remind you of? If you say Valentine's Day, I'm going to agree with you, because my birthday is the day after Valentine's Day, and I very much like to embrace the Valentine's theme because of that. Anyway, I have been wanting to make the Itch to Stitch Camilla's dress since it was released, and I just haven't got a chance. And I bought it the last, maybe her Black Friday sale. I bought it in her Black Friday sale, and I want to make this dress in this, and this is going to be my birthday dress. So this will be the dress that I wear when we go out for dinner for my birthday while we're all together. And then it's just wonderful colors, so I'll wear it all, you know, when the weather does get warm here eventually, and it will eventually get warm again. It'll be great for the summer. So birthday dress, and also, yeah, because I want a special birthday dress, especially since we're gonna all be together. All right, these last two I bought at University of Sewing recently, so when I was there in December. So I love a good knit dress, and I could use a couple of new ones. So this lovely Stoff knit, it is their cotton jersey. I cannot remember how much I bought, maybe 3 yards. This is either gonna, the colors are so pretty, and it's just so bright and wonderful. It is either going to be a Pattern Emporium, I think it's Own Your Magic dress, or a Pattern Emporium Spellbound dress. The Spellbound dress is very similar to the Wanderlust in that it's just like fit and flare, but there's no waist seam. It's just got some interesting different sleeveless and some different sleeve options up top. And then the Own Your Magic is more of a like a t-shirt dress, you know, with some sleeve options and that sort of thing. So I'm not sure what I'm in the mood for. This is also going to be a dress that Jenny and I are going to a couple of shows we'll let you know more about that. So join that newsletter this spring. And I like to wear bright colors, especially if we're working with if it's a business to consumer show, I like to be bright so that I can find you guys and you guys can find me really easily. If it's a business to business show, I like to be bright because if I'm meeting with vendors and potential sponsors and that sort of thing for the channel, I want to be bright so I'm remembered. So anyway, and I just like to be bright, period. So it's going to be one of those 2 dresses, and this should sew up pretty easily. And then finally, I think I bought 5 yards of this, which is going to be way more than I need, but I got nervous. Also Stoff with these fun little cats on it. I am going to make, so the way that the sleeping arrangements are happening on this vacation are that my parents are in a condo with, because they're going to be there for a long time, but they're going to have all 5 of the grandkids with them, because they've got room for them all to bunk with them. And then my sister and brother-in-law and then my husband and I are going to be at our own separate condo. So it's just going to be the 4 adults, which is kind of fun at nighttime. And I wanted to make my sister and I matching pajamas. She doesn't know yet, but she also doesn't watch the channel. So, and these kind of ring my birthday colors too, and just my colors in general. So I am going to use the Seamwork Patterns Leaf Pajama Set. Now these are long sleeved, long pants. I want to make it short sleeved with shorts. And I also really want to put piping into the outside edge of the collar and the front. And I also like the idea of maybe piping the shorts hem and the sleeve hem. So I'm going to cut the shorts off, or the pants off, into shorts. I may widen the leg just a little bit since I'm cutting into shorts. And then I want to shorten the sleeve. That feels like a lot. Anyway, I just think it'd be fun for my sister and I to have matching PJs, and I could pipe them in different colors. And actually, I've got the Stoff knit. I made a shirt that's like this color, and I have a Stoff knit that's like this color. So I could pipe mine in the orange and pipe hers in the peacock blue. I think that would be fun. So anyway, we will see if I have time for all of that. And then I need to prioritize it. Like, what's most important to get made? Like, what do I really want? I mean, honestly, if none of it got made, I would be fine. I am going to do a video on my travel capsule because while I'm not packing in a carry-on, I am packing, my husband and I are going to pack in one suitcase. So we're going to have a suitcase, and then our kids are going to share a suitcase. So I'm going to be doing some strategic capsule packing. So I am going to do a video on that too. And I would assume that almost all of it, almost all of it, if not all of it, is going to be me made. So I'm excited to put together a little travel capsule and a color palette and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. All right, that's all I've got. Are you guys doing any warm weather sewing? Honestly, my sewing that's happening right now is all very cold weather related. I have got so many coats and jackets that I will have made by the end of January. I'm going to be done for a little while, although I love making coats and jackets. One of which is a pattern release that you guys will find out about soon, and it's been very detailed and involved. And another one is the Phoebe coat for closet cord that I plan on doing, because I've got some tutorials around that I want to share with you all on the channel. And then of course the Adri jacket that I made here not that long ago, and then yeah, we've got some other stuff coming up that can't wait to share. Lots of jackets. All right, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Tuesday. I hope you're getting some sewing in wherever you are. Even if you're dreaming about next season sewing, that's okay. Especially if you're in the cold. If you are in the depths of cold right now and Christmas is over and so now it's just gray, and we haven't gotten to the really bad part yet. Usually where I live, it's like February where it starts to get really meh. Like February and March are just really gloomy. But I'm always starting to itch to sew sundresses about this time. I don't know. All right, you guys have a good one. Get some sewing in, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.